Hello friends, today we learn logarithm, basic parts of logarithm. Just to remind 5 formula. Log base a xy is equal to log base ax plus log base ay. Here base are same and the multiplication convert into summation. And here log base a x by y. Here division convert into subtraction. And whenever the base value and the value are same, then log base x is equal to 1, and whenever the values are different, here a and here 1 or 2, any integer value, and here the integer values have no relation. Suppose log base 9 25 and 9 are no relation, so is equal to 0. And whenever log base axp is equal to p log base ax. First question, log base 2 16 is equal to log base 2 16. 16 means 2 to the power 4. 4, because I use this formula log base axp is equal to p log ax. 4 log base 2 2. Log base 2 2. Log base x is equal to 1. Log base 2 2 is equal to 1. 4 into 1 is equal to 4. Next question, log base 3 3q 3 log base 3 3. Same, log base x is equal to 1. Log base 3 3 is equal to 1 3. Log base 7 343. 343 means 7q. 1 by 7q. It means 7 to the power minus 3. Minus 3 comes in front. This formula log base axp p log base ax. So minus 3 log base 7 7. Log base 7 value is 1 because log x is equal to 1. So minus 3 into 1 is equal to minus 3. And here log base 100 0.01. It's 1 by 100. It's 100. It means we write 100 to the power minus 1. Minus 1 come in front. Log base 100 100. Minus 1 into 1. Log base x is equal to 1. It's minus 1. Here log base 8 and 128. Here we might give one relation. 8 we write 8 convert into 2q, and 128 we also convert 128 to the power 7. Both 2. 7 front 3 log base 2 2. This means 1. Because how we make a relation 8 and 128. It's obviously a relation 2q and 2 to the power 7 both are 2. So we convert this value 1. 7 by 3 the outsider. So it's 7 by 3 the answer. Next, 125 means 5q and 625 and 25. We may its cross is 25, so it's 25 and 1. Log, it's base 5. Okay, this question have a correction. It's base 5. Okay, log base 5 5q into 5 square. So it means log base 5 to the power 5. This 5 comes in front. Use this formula. So it means 5 log base 5 is equal to 5 into 1 is equal to 5. Next question, log base 10. First we see only this part, then we convert the square part, then we see the square part. First we see this part, 5 log 10, it's 10 square, then the whole square. Just 100 convert into 10 square. Log 10, 5 into 2 log base 10 whole square, this square. Log base 10 log base 10 whole square. Log base 10 value is 1, so we write here 10 square. So 2 comes in front, log base 10, it means 1, 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Next question, it somehow changed from the others question. Here one value is 1. Whenever the value is 1, this means log base 10. Whenever the base is not given, we always write it log base 10. So it's 1, so log base 10 means 1. Log base 10 3 plus log base 10 4x plus 1 is equal to log base 10 x plus 1 plus convert it log base 10 log base 10. Whenever the multiplication convert into summation, whenever the summation is given, it's also convert into multiplication. Whenever division convert into subtraction, whenever the subtraction is given, it also convert into division. Here the multiplication is given, summation is given, so we convert it into multiplication. It's mean 10 x plus 1. It's mean 12x plus 3 equal to 10x plus 10. It means 2x is equal to 7. X equal to 7 by 2. Okay friend, I give some homework. These are the homework. Please write this in the comment section. Thanks friends for watching my video. If you like it, please like it and subscribe my YouTube channel.